To activate your Walmart Family Mobile SIM card online, start by ensuring you have a compatible device. This means either an unlocked smartphone or one approved by Walmart Family Mobile. You'll also need a valid payment method, such as a credit card or PayPal. Next, visit FamilyMobile.com or open the Walmart app on your device. This is where you'll begin the activation process. Once on the site or app, select your desired service plan. You'll need to enter your device's IMEI number, which can usually be found in your phone's settings. Then provide your billing information to complete the setup. The activation process typically takes between 5 and 15 minutes. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation via email or SMS. This online method is preferred by many users for its convenience and now accounts for 70% of all activations. For in-store activation, bring your SIM card and device to a local Walmart. Make sure you have your Walmart Family Mobile SIM Kit package. A store associate will verify your ID and activate the SIM card using their point-of-sale system. Many stores offer contactless kiosks to speed up the process. This process usually takes between 10 to 20 minutes and doesn't require an appointment. QR code scans are available to minimize wait times. While online activation is increasingly popular, in-store support is beneficial for immediate assistance or troubleshooting. In 2024, Walmart stores successfully processed over 500,000 activations during the holiday season, demonstrating the continued relevance of in-store options.